What is up, guys? It's NeoRock80 for Roblox, and today we're going to be doing another reaction video. Today we're going to be doing a fan request, and we're going to be reacting to Dying Horn Compilation number 1 by 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. So now let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Whoa, that's a horrible horn. Now that's a 2009 Dodge Challenger S60. Sounds like burp. There's a Dodge Grand Caravan. High pitch. That's a high pitch. 2007 Toyota Camry. Sounds like a Meep. Infiniti QX60. Another Infiniti QX60. He slammed it right with his hands. 2003 Ford F-150 XL. It sounds like a train horn. It goes like Toyota Prius 2 or 3, completely broken. Mazda CX-5. Now here's a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. Many of you have never seen this before. Fail. Now here's a Jeep Cherokee. We can barely hear it. Toyota Corolla 2022. That may sound like a weird one. This is a 2017. It's going like there's a Subaru Outback. It's angry. The Toyota 4Runner. It's murping. Prius. It's murping. Beep. Yeah, here's a Nissan Versa Black. Finish this off.
Oh my.
It growls. Alright, guys, now that's the end of this reaction video. I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Have a great weekend or rest of your weekend if you're seeing this in Australia, New Zealand, or South Africa. Thank you so much for watching once again. And I'll see you next time. This is me saying peace out.